Oh my God. This is so beautiful. They call this fall the Niagara Falls of the South. What are y'all doing today? Did you come outside to play? Do you remember when we used to bathe in nature? When the waterfalls was our showers and the lakes, ponds, and oceans was our tubs before they disconnected us from the earth. Why would they disconnect us from the earth? The world want us totally dependent on them. They want us to buy their water when it is out here for free. They want you to buy medicine when your medicine is out in nature and it is free. This world will sell you the air that you breathe if they could. Thank God Almighty Yahweh that He has control of our breath of life. And the oxygen out here is much greater than that in your homes. If you want to live a healthier and happier life, get out in nature. Many that come out in nature share that they feel at peace, more peace than they can have in their very own homes. The earth is our home. The houses were created for us to disconnect us from nature. Understand how the world operates. It wants you totally dependent on them for everything, when our Creator gives us everything free.